If you feel like you clean all day and your house still looks the same, you're not alone. Most people don't have a dirty house problem, they have a cleaning cycle problem. Today I'm going to show you why the cycle never ends and how to break it so your home actually stays clean longer. Most people clean in reaction to messes. Something gets dirty, then you clean it. But by the time you finish one area, another one has already fallen apart. The fix isn't cleaning harder, it's cleaning smarter by targeting the things that create the most mess the fastest. Step 1. Identify your mess hotspots. Every home has 3 to 5 hotspots like kitchen counters or entryways that create 80% of the mess. Focus there first. When you control the hotspots, you control the visual clutter of the entire house. Step 2. Switch to micro-cleaning. Tiny 30-second resets stop messes from building up before they even start. Something as simple as wiping the counter after brushing your teeth keeps that surface clean all day. Step 3. Reduce mess inputs. This is about the flow of items into your home. The math is simple. Less stuff equals less cleaning. If it doesn't have a home, it's a mess waiting to happen. Step 4. Create reset zones. These are small, non-negotiable areas you return to order every single day. You clean these no matter what to keep the house feeling put together and manageable. Step 5. Use the 2-minute rule. This is a game changer for procrastination. If it takes less than 2 minutes, do it now. Don't put it down, put it away. Step 6. Weekly anchor tasks. These are the big rocks that keep the system running. Consistent chores like laundry and vacuuming keep the home from falling apart at the seams. The reason cleaning feels never-ending is because most people clean after the mess happens. But when you focus on the right things at the right time, the house stays clean longer. I'm Scott, and that's your top tip for today. Let's break that cycle together.